Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar unboxing for you, and this time it is ASOS. It's available to purchase now. It contains 26 products. It retails for £95. It is worth £403 and it contains 12 full sizes. As always, if you're interested in this calendar for yourself, you'll find links to it down below in my description, as well as links to other advent calendars that are available to purchase now, and you'll see my discount codes and offers to other websites as well. So you're welcome, take a look down there if you want to. I'm trying to remember now what last year's ASOS advent calendar was like. When I saw this I thought, oh, it's really small. But was the last year's small? I can't remember. Okay, so starting off with day number 1, it says, because you can never have too many MAC lippies. Okay, we've obviously got a MAC lippy then, and it's sealed. Ooh. We've got a Luster Glass lipstick. This is obviously full size, and I think it retails for about £24. And this is Thanks, It's MAC. That's the shade. These were released a couple of months ago. And yeah, I have quite a few of them myself. I'm not sure if I've got this one though. Yeah, it's quite natural. It's more like a tinted lipstick, isn't it? Very, very subtle. If you just want a little bit of a hint of a tint on your lips. So that's day 1. Day 2. Sorry if you can hear the rain. It is pouring down outside. Oh my gosh. It is really, really dark as well. I've got so many lights on in here, so hopefully it won't be too dark when you're watching this. Okay, we have got a, I don't know what it is actually. It's the Beauty Crop, and this is a Melon Jelly Dewy Primer. It's a Dewy Last Long Primer, 20 mils. And I haven't tried this. Now, isn't the Beauty Crop the one that does the red primer? It's like a super grip primer. Am I even thinking that right? I've just seen it a few times on TikTok. Or is it this one? No, this one's dewy. That one is like super strong holding. You're not going to see much except for the dewiness that it gives. Yeah, it feels nice. It's got a subtle melony smell to it. Melony, that's not even a word. Actually, little did you know, but I have got Melanie in my name. I've got another name as well, which I'm not going to say because I can't stand it. It's a long story. But anyway, let's move on. Day number 3. Now we've got 2 little minis from Sol de Janeiro. This is Bum Bum Body Femiza oil, and there's 12 mils here. I haven't tried this, so this is new for me. Oh wow, okay. Visibly Firms and Deep Puffs with guarana, caffeine complex, and that is it. It's the Bum Bum smell. It smells nice, yeah. So it's a body oil. Again, you're not going to see it. I just wanted to try it. Yeah, it's not too tacky either. That feels quite nice. So we've got body oil, and then you got the cream as well. So this is the moisturising cream. This was a firm favourite in advent calendars last year, as in lots of them had this cream, and I think this is probably the 3rd one I've received it in advent calendar so far. I can't even open it up. My hands are too sticky. But yeah, it's a moisturising cream. It smells amazing. It feels amazing on your skin. Oh, and there's always problems with me trying to get it back on, getting the lid on as well. So those 2 are in day number 3. Day number 4, we've got This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Fall asleep faster, naturally, and wake up refreshed. There's 10 mils there. Got lavender and chamomile maybe. Whoa, not on my face. Don't want to do it on my face. Yeah, whew. I'm not keen on this actually. I do love pillow sprays, but yeah, it's just a little bit too strong for me. Day number 5. We've got Grown Alchemist, and this is a polishing facial exfoliant, pink grapefruit, and there's 20 mils here. This is what it looks like. I have received this before in beauty boxes. It might even be an ASOS beauty box. They do monthly beauty boxes, if you weren't already aware. They're not a subscription. They're just a limited edition one-off box, so you get to see on the website what's inside, and they range from about £18 upwards. It's not too harsh, and it smells nice as well. Day number 6. Got Iconic London, and this is a lip plumping gloss in shade Nearly Nude. So yeah, as the name suggests, a nude lip gloss there. They've got a slightly pinky nude one, and I do like that one. I've tried this one as well, and it's nice, but it just gives you a subtle colour then. You're not going to see a dramatic difference. Day number 7, we've got Philip Kingsley, and this is Elasticizer, a multitasker for all hair types. It's a 5-in-1 treatment. There's 100 mils there. It strengthens, conditions, primes, tames and adds shine for perfectly manageable, healthy hair. Starting with a large pea size amount, work through mid-lengths and ends of towel dried hair, blow dry and style as usual. A small amount can be applied to dry and styled hair as well. So it's a complete multitasker sort of cream there. Day number 8. We got Sacha Joanne, and this is a styling cream for your hair. Light and flexible, is 125 mils there. It just says styling cream coats the hair while foaming and defining any desired hairstyles, and you can apply it to damp or dry hair as needed. Day number 9. I feel like I'm going through this quite fast compared to other advent calendars. Do you think I am? If you do, comment down below. I don't mean to. I'm not like in a hurry or anything like that. These are Invisibobble little hair bubbles. In pink monocle, that's the shade. So the aim is to not leave any marks in your hair. I wonder what these are like on my hair now that I've got tape-in extensions in. I mean, on my natural hair I can't use them because my hair is really thin and fine, and they get tangled in them really quickly, really easily. They're not supposed to. They claim to be like tangle free or something. I might be wrong. But yeah, so I might be able to use them better in this hair. Day number 10. I like the fact that I don't have to pull out all the boxes and rummage through trying to find the days. They're all in front of me ready, which is really good as I go through it. We've got a sample of Sunday Riley. This is Autocorrect, a brightening and depuffing eye contour cream. It says instantly delivers a lifted and depuff look while reducing the appearance of dark circles and fine lines. There's 3 mils there. Now for eye creams you only need a little tiny dot anyway, so you are going to get, you know, a good amount of uses in this one, but it is so small. This is literally a sample, isn't it? But then I wonder what the full size is. Probably about 15, isn't it? That's what they usually are. Or this could be full size. Who knows? I have never bought it before, so I don't really know. But we've got a brightening and depuffing eye cream there. Day number 11, we got Elemis Superfood. This is a midnight facial nourishing sleeping cream, and this 15 mils. Now I can't remember if this one smells just like the Superfood cleansing balm. It's bright orange, and I always think, oh, it's going to smell of mango or something, and it doesn't. I love Elemis. Yes, it does. It does smell. I'm getting confused. It's a lovely smelling cream. It's a moisturiser. Day number 12. This is Glow Hub, and this is a facial serum with hyaluronic acid and polyglutamic acid for skin that needs a hit of hydration, and there's 30 mils here. We've seen a lot of Glow Hub products in advent calendars this year. So far anyway. I keep forgetting we're only literally a couple of days into September. Still got a long way to go. Lots more advent calendars to go through. Looking for some mega moisturising goodness? Meet the Dream Duo for plump, healthy, dewy skin. With 3 levels of hyaluronic acid to hydrate every layer of your face, we paired it with hydration powerhouse polyglutamic acid. Think 4 times more powerful than hyaluronic to deeply pull in moisture. Oh wow, okay. I love hyaluronic acid, use it every single day. So that sounds nice. Day number 13. Got Made by Mitchell, it's a liquid blush. This is blush, this is strawberry cream. And I wonder if this is the bright pink one. We seem to get this a lot, and I wonder if I've had it in, yeah, look. I wonder if I had it in an ASOS beauty box before. See, initially that's like, wow. There's no way I'd use that. But then when you blend it in, it's not too bad. You see? It just gives a subtle sort of pink, and then it's buildable then. I do love the formula of the Made by Mitchell blushes. They are really nice. But yeah, so even though it's like quite scary, well to me, but no, once you blend it all in, it is quite a nice blush. But I've already got one. so I'll give that away. What are we on? Day number 14. And we got Milk Makeup. It's a 2-in-1 lip and cheek tint in Dusky Rose. I had like a PR package, and I had a few of these, a few different Milk products. I had a highlighter and a blush as well. This is like a little mini size, but they are a little bit bigger. Not much bigger in all honesty, but yeah, it's really nice. I love the contour. The contour was my favourite. But yeah, that's a nice colour. I think I might actually have this as well. This shade then. I know I've already got it, but see, it's nice. Milk makeup from what I've tried is really lovely. Day number 15, and we've got Ultra Repair Cream. This is First Aid Beauty, and it's intense hydration with colloidal oatmeal, and it's just some 60 grams there. This is particularly good for really, really dry skins, and you can apply it all over your body. So it's a good one to have like in the winter months. Day number 16, got a Revolution palette, the True Icon. So you've got some glitters, you've got 2 creams, and then you've got a row of mattes there as well. The glitters are stunning. They're really pretty. And they're like buttery smooth as well. They're really nice. Okay, some mattes. You can see on the corner there. So yeah, Revolution is quite hit and miss with me. Some palettes I've had have been really, really lovely. Really, really great quality. But some, nah, I haven't been able to work with it at all. Really hard to blend, you know, a lot of fallout. So it all depends on the palette in all honesty. But yeah, I've just applied that to my hand there. They do seem really nice. So we'll see what that is like. But yeah, that is day number 16. Okay, day number 17. And we've got Bare Minerals, and this is Maxi Mist, a phytofiber volumizing mascara in shade black. Huge wand. I've had this recently. I'm sure I've had it. Maybe you know more than me. If you watch my videos regularly, you might be able to say, yeah, you got that in so-and-so box, Claire. Clean vegan mascara of orange peel cellulose fibres delivers dramatic maxed out volume while fortifying for visibly thicker lashes over time. What are we on? Day number 18. And oh, I can smell there's something in there. I'm sure it's a candle. Or is it this? No, it's not this. It's definitely a candle. But this is still gorgeous though. This smells amazing. This is Ritual. This is Ritual of Jing. This is a relaxing body scrub, salt and magnesium, and there's 125 grams here. So Ritual of Jing is the sort of scent that you would use to de-stress, relax, perfect for before you go to bed. So they do sleep sprays, they do candles and things like that, shower gels and things. But yeah, it's a really nice smell. It is one of my favourites. Ooh, gotta be careful. I don't want it tipping out. Oh, it is so nice. So nice. Day number 19. This is what I can smell. It's a candle. This is the very first neon candle I've had this year. Normally we get loads. But especially last year and the year before. But so far, I've unboxed, how many have I unboxed? I've unboxed about 7 advent calendars maybe. And yeah, first time I'm receiving it. I love neon candles. They are one of my favourite candle brand. And this is Bedtime Hero, Chamomile, Ylang Ylang and Cedarwood. This is Scent to Sleep. So this is a little travel candle. It's so nice and it looks smart as well. Yeah, I like that. Day number 20. And we got Beauty Works. This is for your hair. This is a Pearl Nourishing Argan Oil Mask with argan oil milk protein. And there's 50 mils here. Improve your hair texture and shine with our moisturising formula using a combination of organic argan oils and milk protein. The renowned properties of keratin will ensure each strand of hair is left feeling revitalised and nourished. It's got a hair mask. Day 21. We've got a L'Occitane, and this is Almond, and this is a shower oil. It's for cleansing and softening, and there's 75 mils there. Another gorgeous brand. Smells amazing. Doesn't have a really strong sort of almond smell, but it just smells like Bakewells. Why does my brain always go to cakes? It's got shower oil. 22. We got Aveeno, and this is a Calm and Restore for sensitive skin. It's a triple oat serum, normal to dry skin. There's 30 mils here. This brand is really nice. My daughter, she's 18. and she absolutely adores their range. She loves the moisturiser, the oat moisturiser as well, and yeah, I think she might like this one. Instantly smooth, soothes and fortifies the skin's moisture barrier, leaving the skin hydrated. Yeah, I don't think I've tried this one, but I might save that and see if my daughter likes it. Day number 23. Oh, we've got Ren Clean Skincare, and this is Ready Steady Glow, a daily AHA tonic, and there's 100 mils here. You apply it like you would like a toner. So after you've cleansed your face, you would either tap it into your skin with your hands, or you can use like little makeup rounds, and I just put it all over my face. And yeah, it contains acid, so you have to be really careful if you're not used to using acids on your skin, but this is a really good one. It doesn't give me any extra information on there. No, it is a really good one though, and it's brilliant for like even in your skin tone. It's great for reducing texture on your face as well, and yeah, it's just nice and brightening. They're all building up over there now, so only... Oh! What's happened? The electric has gone off. Oh no! I'll be back. And we are back. I don't know what happened then. I didn't think the weather was that bad to for all the electricity to go off. But day number 24, and we've got the Inky List, and this is the Oat Cleansing Balm, formulated for all normal sensitive skin. And yeah, there's 150 mils. It's another favourite of my daughter's as well. I just think she just likes oat products. Any products that has oat in it. But no, she buys this regularly. But I'll definitely save it for her. I've used it before and it's nice. A nice big one as well. And then the last one in the box. Day number 25. What is it? Is it a special one or not really? Yeah, it is. It's Charlotte Tilbury. And we've got Glowgasm. And this is a liquid light wand. And it's an easy highlighter. I think I've already got this shade. But I do really like them. I do love these wands from her. Maybe I don't. Maybe I don't have this one, I don't know. I have got a few dupes as well, see, so I'm getting confused. What I don't like about it, and I've mentioned this in previous videos, is that when you squeeze it up, you have to squeeze quite a lot, and it feels like there's nothing inside. Look, see? A lot of air, but you squeeze it up, and then it comes to the top, and then when it comes to the top, you let go, but there's so much product there that I don't like leaving it there wasted. But yeah, so that's what it looks like. See, it's nice, really, really nice. It feels amazing on the skin. It feels like silk. Really nice to blend. It's long lasting and just gives a gorgeous sort of glass-like effect. Yeah, I do really like them. There you go. So that's day number 25. And those are all the products inside this year's ASOS Face and Body Advent Calendar. I've got to be honest with you, this is not their best Advent Calendar. I've been wowed with their Advent Calendars in the past. And it's not to say this one is awful. It's not. But there's not a lot of new products. Like ASOS are an amazing website. I love them. I absolutely love them for the fashion, for the beauty. And they've got loads of amazing brands on there. But there's a lot of products that we've had in this calendar that we see regularly in beauty boxes. But then obviously some of you that might be interested in this calendar, you might not get their monthly beauty boxes anyway. We've had a lot of like really small items, possibly samples as well, which doesn't always do well in advent calendars with a slot then. A slot that I buy in the advent calendars, especially a £95 advent calendar. I don't think there should be any samples inside unless you're bulking out a day. Say if you've got day number 5, you've got 3 or 4 products and they're all samples. Well, that's fine. I do think that £95 is quite pricey compared to other advent calendars of this price. I want to know what you think. What did you think? Did you go for it? Or are you watching this not knowing whether you should or not? Or do you think, no, not for you this year? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can see lots more advent calendars and my normal beauty unboxings as well and other videos on my channel soon. So take care. Bye.